President Trump says the U.S. has interest in Venezuela's oil reserve.
5 on your side's Laura Barcheski joins us in studio. And Laura, so the big question following this military action is, how will this affect gas prices?
Well, Mike and Kelly, analysts say the short term, we could actually see an increase in gas prices. But in the long term, if things go according to President Trump's plan, we could see prices go down. Legislators from across the bi-state are reacting following the capture of Venezuela's president. Illinois Congresswoman Nikki Budzinski said in a statement, quote, "The president has just sidestepped Congress, launched a strike on Venezuela, and deployed U.S. troops. This is an act of war." Missouri Senator Eric Schmidt says it's not a military posture for some sort of takeover. It's about core interests.
I think this administration's made it clear they're going to continue to engage at the highest level with that government. We have interests. Of course, oil companies are going to get the oil back that was stolen from them.
Venezuela has the world's largest crude oil reserves, about 303 billion barrels. Tapping into that is a priority for President Trump.
We're going to have our very large United States oil companies, the biggest anywhere in the world, go in, spend billions of dollars, fix the badly broken infrastructure, the oil infrastructure, and start making money for the country.
But these changes are going to take time. 5 on your side political analyst Anita Mannion says uncertainty following this political action could temporarily raise prices at the pump.
The markets sometimes will price in uncertainty and geopolitical risk, and so that could actually temporarily have a slight increase on prices, but I wouldn't expect a large impact, partially because Venezuelan crude makes up a relatively small portion of the total oil supply right now.
Mannion says prices could go down in the future, but it's going to take years and billions of dollars.
Ever since President Trump put Venezuelan sanctions on Venezuelan oil in 2017, their oil production plummeted after that. And so, it will take a lot to get that up and productive again in a way that would actually impact our gas prices at home.
The price of U.S. crude oil was up less than a percentage point today at $57.39 per barrel. Only time will tell if it continues to go up.